I always wanted to help people out and take care of people. I took care of my dad for about a year. He was ill, and so I was really passionate about that. And I want to eventually become a nurse. They teach you a lot in this school. I feel like this program is made for you to succeed. In lab, we draw blood, and every day we take vitals. I really love how knowledgeable my instructor is, Mr. Rose. He's really hands-on. Everybody's there helping each other out, and we all work together. So it's really like a brotherhood and a sisterhood. I just love it. Now I'm finally going to be able to work as a medical assistant, and I can't wait for that experience.